Welcome back again. Minorities and marginalization. We'll discuss now minorities and marginalization. Okay. Indian Constitution provides safeguards for the protection for the religious and linguistic minority people. Indian Constitution protects for the safeguards for religious and linguistic minorities. Why our constitution gave the protection or safeguards for the religious and linguistic minorities? What is the reason? Because these safeguards can protect the minorities from dominating by the majority groups. Right? Also, these safeguards can protect them against any other discrimination. It can protect also the India's cultural diversity and cultural heredity. Okay? So, Indian Constitution safeguards the minorities, means the linguistic and religious minorities. The main reason for this is to protect them or safeguard them from dominating the majority groups. Every citizen of India can approach the court if they feel their fundamental rights have been violated. It is the right of each and every citizen of India. Now, we will discuss the marginalization of Indian Muslims. Okay? 14% of Indians, means the 14% of Indian Muslims are being marginalized. They are lagging behind in the case of any development. 14% of Indians, means the 14% Indian Muslims are lagging behind in all the types of developments. So, the government has set up a high-level committee in 2005. The head of the committee was Justice Rajendra Sachar. The head of the committee was Justice Rajendra Sachar. The committee was formed in 2005. Commonly, this committee was known as Sachar Committee. The committee examined all the social, economical and educational status of the Muslims. This report discussed in detail about the marginalization of Muslims. The situation of Indian Muslim community was that time comparable with the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, which means the situation of Muslims or the Indian Muslims was very pathetic that time. Marginalization experienced by the Muslims got another dimension too. You know, most of the Muslim or some of the Muslims used to wear their religious signs, their religious identities. Some of the Muslims wear the turban and others wear the beards. Some of the people sport the beard and wear the turban. Actually, this brought the hatred and violence among some locations of the India. These Muslims identified as different. They are treated very badly among the majority group of India. And what happened? Some people feel to think that they are different from the rest of us, and which cause them to be treated unfairly and discriminate against them. This marginalization of Muslims led to migrate them from their actual place, and some group of Muslims were forced or has been forced to migrate from their own place to other remote areas. Anyway, marginalization is a complex phenomenon. It is our duty to do something against this marginalization, to stop and protect all different types of groups of India. Without this, we will never be able to protect our diversity and then our equality.